shy, I think, the car. Let's see this. Puppy.
Put your hat on.
Huh?
Put your hat on.
It's gonna go through here. Then it's going through the tunnel. Then it's gonna come out right here. You guys are gonna check this. It's gonna be awesome. Not that one yet. Not yet. It takes a while. See? It's simple.
Put your hat on, David. Your hat.
When we guys have a thunderstorm, we could make this. It's fun and easy to make.